Hello, I'm Marco from the Plugins and I'm starting a brand new course. It's called Gutenberg for Everyone. A few years ago, I created a course about building websites with Tailwind CSS, following the best practices. That course was built around Tailwind version 3, and today it's simply outdated. I also started a project called VP Tailwind Hero, but I had to pause it halfway through. Right in the middle of the course, Tailwind released version 4, which was changed basically entirely. It was changed how the Tailwind works, especially how design tokens are defined, and they moved from the JavaScript to the CSS theme. So instead of patching the old content, I decided to restart properly. This time we starting with the fundamentals of the WordPress. Before touching Gutenberg or Tailwind, we are going to cover how to install the WordPress, how the WordPress is structured. We are going to cover the custom post types, custom fields, taxonomies, templates as a template hierarchy, because that's a basic. You need to understand those things to move forward with the code, because that's going to be foundation of your content. So this course is entirely focused on the Gutenberg, and you're asking why Gutenberg? Because Gutenberg is the final output layer of the WordPress. No matter which builder you're using, the Elementor, Oxygen, Bricks, everything eventually ends up in the Gutenberg. The visual builders are trying to patch it because they try to create the custom blocks from their visual builders, but then there's just the abstraction layer, because if that visual builder fails, that means that your custom blocks will be broken and everything will be lost. So with Gutenberg, your content is future proof. You can switch themes without breaking pages, because mostly the style will be just changed, and your content stays in the Gutenberg because that's where it was created, not in the other visual builders. And also the performance of the Gutenberg is excellent. You don't need to do too much optimization after you add your text and the images. So we all seen what's happening with the Elementor, with the Divi, and others, like how they're pushing the code updates, but the performance is terrible. Also, you can take a look of what happened with the Oxygen, because there was no migration from the version 4 to newest version 6. So if you want to update the builder, everything is broken, or you need to redo your website from the scratch, and that's not happening with Gutenberg. There is also reality with the Gutenberg. Not everything is perfect. The styling, for example, it's a little messy. That's why I introduced the Winden, so you can add simply utility classes, and it's going to help you where is the limitation of the Gutenberg. And also I want to point that I have released the Winden free version that's integrated with Gutenberg, so everyone can follow this free course. Also, we are going to cover the styles, custom styles. So not every time you need to create a custom block if you want to have something that's outside of the theme. Sometimes you can just get away with adding extra style, and in that style you can write your own CSS, and the editor can simply convert the list of posts from the stack to the grid without needing to change anything. It can be with a simple click. Then we are going to deep dive into the custom blocks. I'm going to cover two approaches. One is the classic block development, when you install the npm create block, and the second will be the PHP only block creation using the Fanculo. The Fanculo is paid, but you will see the benefits of writing it inside the WordPress editor, so you can work in parallel with your content editors as well. We're going to cover the accessibility on the end. So accessibility best practices, the editor-friendly UX, clean maintainable code, design decisions at scale, etc., etc. But for now, let's focus on the basics. So we can start in the next chapter with choosing the tool for the local development. I'm going to cover the local VP and the WordPress Studio as well, so you can decide which one you're going to choose. It's going to be your decision, what suit you the best as well. And the final goal of this course is actually to ship your WordPress website to the hosting. So on the end, we are going to purchase one domain. We are going to set up the Cloudflare. We are going to set up the hosting as well, and we are going to migrate your website to the production environment. So for now, you can subscribe. I'm going to post it first as a playlist, and then I'm going to create a community website for this project, so we can easily share the code snippets, maybe the Figma files, etc., etc., because it's going to be hard to keep everything in the YouTube content. So please subscribe, like, comment what you would like to see from this course, so I can help craft more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and bye. See you soon.